Unlock the power of persuasion and turn potential customers into loyal ones. Discover the psychology behind successful sales strategies. Firstly, understand the power of reciprocity. People naturally wish to return favors. Leverage this for successful business transactions. Secondly, harness the principle of commitment. Once a customer makes a small commitment, they're more likely to stick around and make bigger purchases. Thirdly, highlight the social proof. Show your potential customers that others have found value in your product or service. Now, focus on the principle of authority. Establish yourself as an expert, a trustworthy source of information about your product or service. Next, make use of the principle of liking. Make your potential customer comfortable around your brand, and they're more likely to purchase. Finally, learn to tap into scarcity. The less available something is, the more valuable it becomes. Use this to your advantage.